Hello student, today we will start chapter 6 of class 8, square and square root. Exercise 6.1. First, introduction of square and square root. Square means to say power 2. Square root means to say power 1 by 2. Its symbol root, or we can write it as also. Easy questions. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? Question number 1. Part first, 81. Here unit digit is 1. 1 square is 1. So unit digit is 1. How we will write? The unit digit in the square of 81 is 1. Second part, 272. Unit digit 2. Square of 2 is 4. So unit digit in the square of 272 is 4. Third part, statement 799. Then unit digit in the square root of 799 is 9 9s are 81. Unit digit is 1. Part 4th, unit digit in the square of 3853 is 3 3s are 9. Next, one 1234. The unit digit in the square of this number is 4 4 just 16, that is 6. Next part, we will write continue like this. Number is 26,387. Unit digit is 7. Then its square is 49. Unit digit 9. Next number, same we will write 52,698. 8 8 just 64. That's why unit digit is 4. Unit digit in the number 99,880 is 0. Unit digit is 6. And the last part, unit digit is 5 5s are 25, that is 5. Sum number second. The following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. Give reason. Things to remember. That is, if unit place having 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 7, 8, and odd number of zeros, then the number never be perfect square. If unit place a unit digit having 2, 3, 7, 8 and odd number of zeros, then this number never be a perfect square. 1057, unit digit 7, so this number is not be a perfect square. Because unit digit 7, unit digit 3, that's why also no. Unit digit is 3. You have to write all these parts in the same manner. Part third, unit digit is 8, unit digit is 2 in part fourth. In part fifth, number is 64,000, also not perfect square. Reason, symbol of because. Here number of zeros are odd. No, no, no. 89,722 is also not a perfect square number because unit digit 2. Here number of zeros are odd. Here also number of zeros are odd. Now the next, sum number 3. The square of which of the following would be odd numbers? If unit place is odd, then its square is also an odd. Sum number 3. 431. Unit digit 1, that is odd. So its square is also odd. Next, second part, 2826, unit digit 6, which is even, so its square is not odd. Here 9, odd, so its square is also odd. Here 4, that's why its square is not a odd number. Thank you.